welcome everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the biology chapter, that is life process. So from life process we are going to study the first portion, that is what is life. What is life? Life includes mainly three processes. Life includes mainly three processes. The first one is respiration. Second one is digestion, and the third one is excretion. So these are the three processes that the life exists. The first one is respiration, digestion and excretion. So if you know about respiration means inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide. Okay, that is called respiration. All living things will respire. All, that is, for example, plants, animals and human beings. Human beings are also included in animals. So that is respiration. Respiration means inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide. So next topic is digestion. Digestion means breakdown of complex substance into simple substance. Breakdown of complex substance into simple substance is called digestion. Then next one is excretion. Excretion means removal of waste. Removal of waste matter from the body is called excretion. So these three processes are including in life process, that is respiration, digestion and excretion. Okay, hence we can say that an organisms have a life. Next one is nutrition. What is nutrition? We have already studied in 8th class. There are two types of nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic, auto means on. Auto means on. Hetero means depend on other organisms. Depend on other organism is called hetero. So for autotrophic nutrition, in which plants that are prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. By the process of photosynthesis. That is called autotrophic nutrition. And the heterotrophic nutrition is that they do not prepare their own food, but they depend on other organisms for their survival. So that is, they depend on other organisms for their survival. This is called heterotrophic. Autotrophics, for example, autotrophic plants. Plants are example for autotrophics and animals are example for heterotrophic. So there are two types of nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means the organisms which prepare their own food. Okay, that is called autotrophic. For example, plants and also for some bacteria. Plants and some bacteria are example for autotrophic. And heterotrophic nutrition means the organisms which depend on other organisms for their survival. That is called, for example, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the important process of living organisms, that is for plants only. For plants only. Because plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So the components that are needed for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and chlorophyll. So these are the components that is needed for the process of photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so in this reaction, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Light energy is converted into chemical energy. Light energy is converted into chemical energy, and carbon dioxide gas is reduced into oxygen. Carbon dioxide gas is reduced into oxygen, and also by this process there is release of oxygen and water molecule. Okay, so plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means preparing of food by carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and chlorophyll. So this is called a photosynthesis. So the steps involved in photosynthesis are absorption of light energy. Absorption of light energy. That is the first step. Absorption of light energy. Then second one is conversion. Conversion of light energy into chemical energy. This is the second step. And the third one is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. These are the three steps that involved in photosynthesis. So first one is absorption of light energy. Light energy means sunlight energy, absorption of sunlight energy. And the second one is conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Then the third one is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So these are the processes that takes place during the process of photosynthesis. Okay, and we have already studied about stomata. What is stomata? Stomata is the tiny pore present on the surface of the leaf. So stomata is the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaf, which is used for the transportation or the transfer of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so stomata is a tiny pores present on the surface of the leaf that is used for the transfer of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So stomata is covered by a guard cell. That is, the guard cell gives protection to stomata. So stomata is covered by a guard cell, just like a protection. That is called guard cells. Stomata is covered by guard cells. So stomata is present on the surface of the leaf. That is the tiny pores that is used. That is the function of stomata is transfer of oxygen and carbon dioxide from inside and outside the plant. So guard cell is the protective layer, protective covering of stomata. Okay, so this is about photosynthesis in plants.